Gazza, 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 are the VP.
Pussy them a hype from the yada there. We know what govy style them a follow, yeah. Take a year off, a living at the aircraft. From Mr. Breeze, everybody full of beer sauce.
Say them a lead and me seat, say them name. 9 months to be a song, that's shame. Me fully Gazza, it running on me vein. Not to me no carry the G last name.
Yes, my viewers, subscribe. It's your boy Stolen Right, and now we say Sikka Rymes a fire some shot off a Aidonia in a Dem-A-Ask. But me feel like say them shot your viewer subscriber come late. But here we are gonna run the end chat. Walk with me. Viewer subscriber, Sikka Rymes a make you know say yo, him probably don't carry the G last name, that a cartel, you know that. But when it come to Gazza dog, his DNA fully 100 meds.
So me pull up on them block in a range. Be a man get wet up on a color when I spray. Say them want to take over, me tell them to keep on trying like Pinky and the brain. Dem-A-Ask how me do it. The road block but me fly past you better. Me say me fly past you better.
Viewer subscriber, dancehall coming like a 100-meter race. You see, if you not keep up dog, it will run left you. Aidonia job aircraft and this massacre and cartel. Massacre and cartel respond back to Aidonia. So when me see Sikka Rymes come with a tune, me kind of feel like that race here done run already. We don't know say the G get shot up and all of them things, but we kind of feel like say them put out that tune too late. You see me? Because right now, if you look on it, me not even know if Aidonia supposed to respond back to that tune. Because if Aidonia respond back to that tune, it a go look like say right now, Sikka Rymes are just a recover. You see me? So him now go find the strength and things to deal with Aidonia how him want deal with it. So that's why me say that tune come late. Tell me when you think, meds.
Change up my style every second. Down to the dumb seat, ask the blind one. So nobody trying living on my floor. A matter of fact, me not depend where you depend. Make a link St. James why pre-chap champ. Latest we rolling at the skin jump tamp. Y'all must scream so we clean, cause later them on the protein.
You a subscriber. First of all, me have to say, yo, you see that tune ya? That tune ya wicked dog. Sikka Rymes turn it up. You see me? And not even just the turn it up, you can hear the maturity right now, the level that Sikka Rymes depend now, dog. You see me? From when you hear the man a go on certain way, dog, and you see the man tell us, say, yo, him switch it up in a every second thing, that of a real dog, 100. You see me? Because me love the flow, me love the melody, me love to see the way how the man switch it up. And the man do it good. Meds.
Boy, we love chat, me not trust. Them easy sell out like Judas. Me style a kick them like Brutus. Can't get a hit song, them call up. We lock down the business, called up. Gazza I run the road, proud up. The Matic and the Glock ever load up. This the VP, head roll like donut.
Viewer subscriber, a man a make you know say yo, you see the Glock and the Matic dog, them thing they load up. So if you want to make the mistake and run up, dog, Gazza 100% proud up. A man say enough of them boy they over there, so them love chat, dog, and that's why man don't deal with them. You see me? Them boy they are Judas, and we don't run with Judas. Viewer subscriber, hear me now, dog. Me love to know the way how Sikka Rymes sit down on a tune, dog. Me love to know the way how Sikka Rymes turn it up, dog. And me I tell you say, yo, a man I make you know say, yo, you see when it come to Gazza, dog, 100 meds.
Dem-A-Ask how me do it. The road block but me fly past you better. Me say me fly past you better. The road block but me fly past you with Dem-A-Ask. Dem-A-Ask how me do it. The road block but me fly past you better. Me say me fly.
Viewer subscriber, you see apart from you know say Sikka Rymes got hard in that tune, dog, me love a little party with the G-Jab. Dem-A-Ask how me do it now. The road block but me fly past through it now. Yo, viewer subscriber, you switch through that part, you catch it, dog. That thing will make that tune turn up even more in a dancehall. You see me? Because enough man I got vibes to it. You see me? But right now, viewer, subscriber, me say it's your boy Stola. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. We now say nothing more. And your boy Stola one. We out.